Alright guys, welcome back. Let's have a look at Apple stock. So today it's down 2.2%. Stock market is open, stock is trading, and it's trading around 145. Okay, so and why it's gapping down today is, I think it's over China news, over production and halting some of the factories that are related to Apple's production of their devices. I think that's the headline, because we all know what's going on in China, right? But that's not the point of the video. This is technicals, all right? So, and also, I don't want to argue with anybody in the comments about that this is the best stock ever, blah, blah, blah. Yes, we know that it's the most valuable company at the moment, $2.3 trillion, okay? And here's what I'm watching for Apple in terms of technicals, all right? So let's take a look at the daily chart. On a daily chart, you can see I'm looking at basically at a downtrend. This blue line at the top that I have is a downtrend. Let me pull up the pen here, and also let me bring up the moving averages. So I'm gonna show you what's going on short term. From trading perspective, I'm watching Apple basically here to hit a support of 135 if it starts selling off, and that would be around 10-point move, and that's the known support area right here, right here, right here. So if it comes down, that's the support area. I would, as a long, like when I'm long biased to trade any stock, I usually don't jump in right here, okay, because risk to reward is pretty much 50-50. I know the resistance area where it's been sliding from, so basically 152 area, 153, that was the resistance. It couldn't get back above. Also, if you look at these moving averages, yellow line represents 50-day moving average. It's downtrending. And also, if you look at the red line right here, which is 200-day moving average, it's downtrending. So stock is in a downtrend, short term in a downtrend, and I'm watching it to the downside if it cannot get back above 50-day. So if it recaptures this 50-day moving average, it can do the same thing, pretty much barcode trading like here. It can do the same thing. It can go back to the range bound, but if it stays below 50-day, it's gonna get sold. I think it will go right to this 134. Also, I can just show different time frames to like for a perspective, what's going on a monthly chart. Let's take a look at the just year to date, what's going on. If you look at the year to date, it's been down, it's been pretty much positive 3 months is March, July, and October. We have one more month left. Year to date, it's down. I don't know what exact number, but let's take a look. What's the point right here, right now? So it's about 20%. So Apple is down 20% from its highs, and definitely could be pretty much in line with the overall market as well, because it represents pretty big portion of S&P 500. So what about quarterly charts? I went back just pretty far away and looked at when Apple had this type of action, like year to date. You can see Q1 it was negative, Q2 was negative pretty big, and Q3 positive. Q4 is not over yet. If you look at the quarterly, it's still positive, okay? And last time it happened when Apple was down for 2 consecutive quarters, it was here in 2015. And what happened is that it did have a one green quarter, and then it wiped out all. So basically, if we do finish at those lows, we might get something like this, and then it would be basically testing its recent lows, which is 135, and if it goes lower, then it would be somewhere here 130. So this is the basically level I'm watching for Apple. I don't think that it will magically get back above this 200-day moving average, because there's a lot of supply here. Even if you pull up the volume bar, you will see how much of a resistance right here on a volume profile. You can see how much of a resistance here between this 147, 150, and then if it gets back above that, we have pretty big volume profile right here at 155. So there's a lot of resistance on a daily, and that's what I'm watching basically for Apple. I'm not looking at what's going on with option market. So I do think that short term right here right now, trend to the downside, and risk reward is not really great to go long nor to go short, because basically to the upside, if you go long, maybe your profit somewhere around let's take a look at per share, somewhere around $7, and if it goes down, your profit could be somewhere around $9, $9.8. So a little bit more reward to the downside, but I'm just waiting for the stock to confirm that it's going to stay below this 50-day moving average, and maybe also overall market will follow, because as I said, it has pretty big weight. So that's the update for Apple. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next update. Take care. Peace.